Hi! Today we show you how to make Wolverine claws inside of After Effects. Let's jump right into it.
Wait! Fucker!
First thing we're going to do is create a new comp and then import our footage. Now we can drag the footage over and adjust the size if needed. And then we will track our footage over in Mocha AE. In Mocha, move the timeline to where you should first see the claws appear, then draw a rough shape around the hand. And now you can track your footage. Then you can save the track and exit out of Mocha. Back in After Effects, you're going to want to create a new null object and export the tracking data to that null object. Make sure that you set the export option to transform. Now you can hit Apply Export. Now we want to create a new black solid and add element 3D. Then click Scene Setup, and now you can import your model. We decided to go with this model found on Thingiverse made by Stuffed Crust 641. We also split the model inside of Blender. Now with your model imported into Element 3D, we can adjust the rotation and the position and then duplicate it twice. And then you can go through and adjust the position, rotation, and scale until the claws fit in between your knuckles. And now we will create a new group null. Go ahead and rename the null layer and then link it to your track. You may need to do some manual keyframing so that the claws stay in the same spot. Now go through and keyframe the claws coming out of the arm. Now go through and tweak it so that the claws are coming through the right spot. Now duplicate your footage and draw a mask around your arm where you want the claws to be hidden. Then keyframe the mask path and adjust the mask as needed. To create the bones coming out of the hands, duplicate your comp and rename to Skin Displacement. Over in the new composition, create a new white solid and turn off the visibility. Then draw 3 lines on the hand where the claws should be going in the arm. And then go through and keyframe the lines so that they stay in the arm the entirety of the clip. Now add a stroke effect to your white solid. Check all masks, turn off stroke sequentially, and change the paint style to reveal original image. Move to the point where the claws should be fully extended. Then turn the end percentage down to 0% and keyframe the end and start. Then move about halfway back and turn end to 100%, and then all the way back and turn start to 100%, and then increase the brush size. Now you can delete everything except for the white solid. Back in the original comp, drag the new one and place it above the mask layer. Then add an adjustment layer. Now add a CC glass effect to the adjustment layer and turn off the visibility for the skin displacement. You can also add a blur to the white solid in the other comp. On the adjustment layer, set the bump map to the other composition. And under the shading tab, turn the specular down to 0. Now turn the height down to about 10. Now if you add in some cool sound effects, you end up with something like this.
Thanks for watching the video. If you have any ideas of what you want to see next, leave a comment down below. Bye bye.